What up, guys? It's MMA King. I got a package today from Topps. Some of the cards I had replaced because they were taking way too long. So I'm gonna see what I got. I heard they've been ripping a lot of people over big time. Topps has been screwing a lot of people redemption. So I'm gonna see what I got. These are hard to open. Let me get a scissors. This is what I got for Rodrigo Nogueira auto relic from Knockout. I get this guy. What a rip-off, Topps. Who the hell is this? That's fucked up. This is for my Lyoto Machida full contact auto. We get big nog auto. I guess that's not too bad. This is for my Evan Dunham Ruby Relic auto. That's what I got. Get a branded Schaub Ruby auto Relic. Broly hit me up. George St. Pierre Tough Auto. This autograph should have been numbered to 50, but he hasn't signed them, so I asked for a replacement. Kimbo Slice. Brock Lesnar. Shenkaran. Really got him. Pat Miletich. Gino Dos Santos full contact auto. And Henderson auto. I really do think they fucked me over in the little nog and gave me this guy. But, oh well. This is what I got from my George St. Pierre on-card auto, tough auto. I got these 2 cards. Which sucks. The last Kimbo sold for like 40, 50 bucks. That's my second one. Brock Lesnar auto, $120 card or so. So $170 cards right here for. I think George St. Pierre top autos was like a $350 card, so I get $170 cards for a $350 card. I don't know. You guys do the math. Alright, check out buymmacards.com. Later.